Good morning. Here's your pre-market briefing and what you need to know right now. Okay, let's break down the big head scratcher moving the markets this morning. And this story, well, it kicks off with some major escalations in the Middle East. Iran is hitting critical energy targets, putting a huge chunk of the world's oil at risk. This kind of energy shock is pretty much the worst-case scenario for any central banker. And that put the Fed in a really tight corner for yesterday's big rate decision. Now, the Fed did hold rates steady. No surprise there. But that's not the real story. Chairman Powell's press conference was, well, let's just say it was incredibly hawkish. So forget those rate cuts. The new mantra on the street is higher for longer. And what did that do? It lit an absolute rocket under the US dollar. In this market, cash is king. The dollar is the only safe haven anyone wants. And for every other asset class, you can see it's creating an absolutely explosive cocktail. Gold got completely hammered, crushed by that strong dollar and those rate fears. Stocks took a beating too, with the S&P 500 tumbling over 1.3%. Which brings us full circle, back to our question about what's happening with gold. You see, everything we expected gold to do was completely upended by the dash for dollars. Bottom line, the dollar's gravity is just pulling everything else down right now. So the US dollar reigns supreme. The big question is, for how long? Trade safe.